Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back, you all, in our mathematics class. As you all know that in the last class, I have discussed with you some basic concepts of this chapter, properties of triangle. Now, today, I am going to discuss with you the exercise number 10.1, right? So, open the exercise number 10.1 in your books. First and second question I have discussed yesterday. So come to the question number 3. Find the measure of the unknown angles in the figure. In the following figure, आपने क्या करना है? Unknown angle को find out करना है. One triangle, that is a triangle PQR, is given to you, in which the measure of angle P is given to you, that is 58 degree, and the measure of angle Q is given to you, that is 42 degree. You have to find out the value of angle R. So in a triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equivalent to 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. Now put the value of angle P, that is 58 degree. Put the value of angle Q, that is the 42 degree, plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. When you add the 58 plus 42, you will get 100 degree. 100 degree plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. So now you want the value of angle R. So angle R is equivalent to the 180 minus 100. Shift 100 from left hand side to the right hand side and it will become negative. So 180 minus 100, right? So angle R is equivalent to the 80 degree. In B part, triangle MNO is given to you and the measure of angle M is given to you, that is the 40 degree. Measure of angle N is given to you, that is a 115 degree. But the angle of O is not given to you, right? So in triangle MNO, angle M plus angle N plus angle O is equivalent to the 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. So put the value of angle M, that is a 40. Put the value of angle N, that is a 115, plus angle O, that is equivalent to 180 degree. When you add the 40 plus 115, you will get 155. 155 plus angle O is equivalent to 180 degree. Angle O is equivalent to the 180 minus 155. Angle O is equivalent to the 25 degree, right? Come to the C part. In a right angle triangle TSQ, the value of angle T is not given to you. Value of angle S is given to you, that is a 90 degree. Value of angle Q is, that is 52 degree. So angle T plus angle S plus angle Q is equivalent to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle T plus 90 degree plus 52 degree, that is equivalent to 180 degree. When you add 90 plus 52, you will get 142. Angle T plus 142 degree, that is equivalent to the 180 degree. Angle T is equivalent to the 180 minus 142 degree. You will get the value of angle T. So angle T is equivalent to the 38 degree. In D part, triangle PQR is given to you and the value of angle P is 125 degree. Value of angle Q is 32 degree and angle R is not given to you. So in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle P is given to you, that is a 125 degree. Angle Q is given to you, that is 32 degree, plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. When you add a 125 with 32, you will get 157, plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. Angle R is equivalent to the 180 minus 157 degree. Angle R is equivalent to the 23 degree. Clear? In question number 4. In triangle ABC, angle A is equivalent to the 58 degree. Angle B is equivalent to the 62 degree. You have to find out the value of angle C. So in a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equivalent to the 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. 58 degree plus 62 degree plus angle C is equivalent to the 180 degree. When you add 58 plus 62, you will get 120, plus angle C is equivalent to 180 degree. Angle C is equivalent to the 180 minus 120 degree. Angle C is equivalent to the 60 degree. Clear? Now come to the next question. In question number 5. In triangle PQR, angle Q is given to you, that is a 112 degree. Angle R is equivalent to the 42 degree. Find the value of angle P. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. Angle P plus 112 degree plus 42 degree, that is equivalent to the 180 degree. When you add 42 to the 112, you will get 154. So angle P plus 154 degree is equivalent to the 180 degree. Angle P is equivalent to the 180 degree minus 154 degree. Angle P is equivalent to the 26 degree. Clear? Now come to the next question. In question number 6, three angles of a triangle are equal. Three angles of a triangle are given to you that are they equal to each other, and find the measure of each angle. You have to find out the measure of the each angle. Let the each angle of a triangle be a x. So according to the question, x plus x plus x, that is equivalent to the 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. So when you add x, x and x, you will get 3x. 3x is equivalent to the 180 degree. 3x is equal to the 180 degree. X is equal to the 180 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 360 is a 180. So x is equal to the 60 degree. The measure of each angle is 60 degree. Clear? Now come to the next question. In question number 7, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the measure of the each angle of a triangle. Right? Now the angles of a triangle are given to you in the ratio. So let the three angles of a triangle be 1x, 2x and 3x. जब भी आपके पास रेशो में गिवन हो तो आप उसे एज्यूम कर लेना 1x, 2x and 3x like that. आपके पास यहाँ पर है 1:2:3. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x is equal into the 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. When you add a 1x plus 2x and 3x, you will get 6x is equal to the 180. X is equal into the 180 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 30 is 180. So x is equal into the 30. 1x is equal into the 1 multiplied by 30 is 30. 2x is equal to the 2 multiplied by 30 is equal into the 60. 3x is equal to the 3 multiplied by 30 equal to the 90 degree. The measure of each angle of a triangle are the 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now come to the next question. In question number 8, find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 1:2:6. You have to find the angles of a triangle which are given you in the ratio 1:2:6. So again, let the measure of a angles of a triangle be a 1x, 2x and 6x. So 1x plus 2x plus 6x is equal into the 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. So 9x is equal into the 180 degree. X is equal into the 180 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 20s are 180. So x is equal into the 20 degree. 1x is equal into the 1 multiplied by 20, that is 20. 2x is equal to the 2 multiplied by 20 is equal into the 40 degree. 6x is equal to the 6 multiplied by 20 is equal into the 120 degree. The measure of angles of a triangle are 20 degree, 40 degree and 120 degree. Now come to the question number 9. One of the acute angles of the right triangle is 58 degree. Find the other. So one angle is given to you, that is a right angle triangle, that it means one angle is equal to the 90 degree. Other acute angle that is given to you, that is a 58 degree, and you have to find out the other acute angle. So let the other angle be a x. According to the question, 90 degree plus 58 degree plus x is equal into the 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. When you add the 58 to the 90, you will get 148. 148 plus x is equal to the 180 degree. X is equal into the 180 minus 148 degree. X is equal into the 32 degree. The measure of other angle is equal into the 32 degree. Clear? Now to come to the next question. In question number 10, one of the angles of a triangle is 90 degree and the other two angles are equal to you. You have to find out the measure of the each of the equal angles, right? One angle is given to you, that is a 90 degree, and the other two angles are equal to each other, right? You have to find out the value of the other two equal angles. So let the given angle is 90 degree, let the measure of the other two angles be x each. So 90 degree plus x is equal into the 180 degree, that is the angle sum property of a triangle. 90 plus 2x is equal into the 180 degree. 2x is equal into the 180 minus 90. 2x is equal into the 90. X is equal into the 90 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 45 is the 90. So x is equal into the 45 degree. The measure of each of the equal angle is 45 degree. Clear? Now come to the next question. In question number 11, the two angles of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 2:3. Find the measure of the each of these angles. One angle is given to you, that is a 90 degree because it is a right angle triangle. and the ratio is given to you of the remaining two angles, that is a 2:3. So let the two angles of a right angle triangle be 2x and 3x. So 2x plus 3x is plus 90 is equal to the 180 degree angle sum property of a triangle. 5x plus 90 is degree is equal to the 180 degree. 5x is equal to the 180 degree minus 90 degree. 5x is equal to the 90 degree. X is equivalent to the 90 degree divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 18s are 90 degree. Right? So x is equivalent to the 18 degree. 2x is equivalent to the 2 multiplied by 18, that is equivalent to the 36 degree. 3x is equal to the 3 multiplied by 18 is equal to 54 degree. The measure of each of these angles are 36 degree and 54 degree. Now come to the next question. In question number 12, one of the angles of a triangle is 84 degree and the remaining angles are in the ratio 1:5. Find the measure of the remaining angles. One angle is given to you, that is 84 degree, and the remaining two angles ratio is given to you, that is a 1:5. The measure of the given angle is 84 degree. Let the remaining angles of a triangle be a 1x and 5x. So 84 degree plus 1x plus 5x is equal to the 180 degree, that is the angle sum property of a triangle. 84 degree plus 6x is equal to the 180 degree. 6x is equal to the 180 minus 84 degree. 6x is equal to the 96. 6x is equal to the 96. X is equal to the 96 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 16 is 96. X is equivalent to the 16 degree. 1x is equal to the 1 multiplied by 16 degree is equivalent to the 16 degree. 5x is equivalent to the 5 multiplied by 16 degree equal to the 80 degree. The measure of the remaining angles are 16 degree and the 80 degree. Clear? Now come to the next question. In question number 13, each of the two angles of the isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. Right? Find the angles of the triangle. You have to find out the angles of the triangle. Right? Let the third angle be a x. हमारे पास third angle नहीं है. First we can assume let the third angle be a x. Then the measure of the each of the two angles be a 2x. Right? So the 2x plus x is equal into the 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of a triangle. So when we add 2x plus x, it is equivalent to the 5x. 5x is equivalent to the 180. X is equivalent to the 180 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 536 are 180. X is equivalent to the 36 degree. 2x is equivalent to the 2 multiplied by 36 degree is equivalent to the 72 degree, and 2x is equivalent to the 2 multiplied by 36 equivalent to the 72 degree. The angles of a triangle are 72 degree and 36 degree. Clear? Now come to the next question. In question number 14, find the values of each angle in the given figure. In A part, you are having a triangle ABC, where the angle A is 3x, angle B is equivalent to the 4x, and angle C is equivalent to the 5x. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equivalent to the 180 degree angle sum property of a triangle. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equivalent to the 180 degree. When you add 3x plus 4x plus 5x, you will get 12x. So 12x is equivalent to the 180 degree. X is equivalent to the 180 degree divided by 12. 3 4s are 12 and 3 60s are 80. 4 1s are 4, 4 15s are 60. So x is equivalent to the 15 degree. Angle A is equivalent to the 3x is equivalent to the 3 multiplied by 15 equal to the 45 degree. Angle B is equivalent to the 4x equivalent to the 4 multiplied by 15 equal to 60 degree. Angle C is equivalent to the 5x equivalent to the 5 multiplied by 15 equal to 75 degree. Clear? Now come to the B part of this question. In B part, you are having a triangle MNP, right? So the angle M is equal to the 3x, angle N is equal to the 10x, angle P is equal to the 5x. In triangle MNP, angle M plus angle N plus angle P is equal to the 180 degree angle sum property of a triangle. So 3x plus 10x plus 5x is equal to the 180 degree. When you add 3x plus 10x plus 5x, you will get 18x. 18x is equal to the 180 degree. X is equal to the 180 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 tens are, right, 180. So x is equal to the 10 degree. Angle M is equivalent to the 3x. 3x is equal to the 3 multiplied by 10 is equivalent to the 30 degree. Angle N is equivalent to the 10x equivalent to the 10 multiplied by 10 equal to 100 degree. Angle P is equivalent to the 5x equivalent to the 5 multiplied by 10 equal to 50 degree. Clear? Now come to the question number 15. In question number 15, in the given figure, ST is parallel to the QR and angle P is equivalent to the 58 degree, angle Q is 62 degree. In find the angle R, angle S and angle T. First of all, in a triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree, angle sum property of a triangle. 58 degree plus 62 degree plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. When you add 58 and 62, you will get 120 degree plus angle R is equivalent to the 180 degree. Angle R is equivalent to the 180 minus 120. You will get angle R is equivalent to the 60 degree. Now, it is given to you in the question ST is parallel to the QR. So, angle S is equivalent to the angle Q equal to 62 degree and angle R is equivalent to the angle T equal to 60 degree. They are forming the corresponding angles. That's why they are equal to each other. Clear? Now come to the question number 16. In question number 16, one angle of a triangle is twice the smallest angle and the another angle is a 3 times the smallest angle, right? And find the measure of all the angles of a triangle. One angle is a twice the smallest angle, another angle is a thrice the smallest angle, but we don't know the smallest angle. So first assume let the smallest angle be a x. Twice the smallest angle is equivalent to the 2x. Thrice the smallest angle is equal to the 3x, right? Now according to the question, x plus 2x plus 3x is equivalent to the 180 degree angle sum property of a triangle. When you add a x plus 2x plus 3x, you will get 6x. 6x is equivalent to the 180 degree. X is equivalent to the 180 degree divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 630 is a 180. X is equivalent to the 30 degree. 2x is equivalent to the 2 multiplied by 30 degree equal to 60 degree. 3x is equivalent to the 3 multiplied by 30 equal to the 90 degree. The measure of all the angles of a triangles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So students, your exercise is completed and if you have any query you can consult to me. Thanking you and have a nice day to all of you.